Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate pips using TradingView. Understanding pips is crucial for forex traders to manage risk and calculate potential profits or losses. A pip, or percentage in point, is the smallest price movement a currency pair can make. For most major currency pairs, a pip is equivalent to 0.0001. However, for pairs involving the Japanese yen, a pip is 0.01. Knowing this fundamental concept is your first step. TradingView makes pip calculations straightforward with its built-in measurement tool. First, open your desired currency pair chart. On the left-hand toolbar, find the measure tool, which looks like a ruler. Click on it, then click and drag from your trade's entry point to your potential exit point. The tool will instantly show you the price difference and the exact number of pips for that movement. This visual aid is incredibly helpful for quick analysis. While TradingView's tool is convenient, understanding the manual calculation is also valuable. To calculate pips manually, simply subtract your entry price from your exit price. Then, divide this difference by the pip value for that specific currency pair. For instance, if your /USD moves from 1.0850 to 1.0900, the difference is 0.0050. Dividing 0.0050 by 0.0001 gives you 50 pips. This method reinforces your understanding of price movements. Calculating pips is just one part of effective trading. Understanding pip value is next. The monetary value of a pip varies based on your trade's lot size and the specific currency pair. This knowledge is vital for managing your risk. By knowing your pip value, you can accurately determine your potential profit or loss for a given number of pips, allowing you to set precise stop loss and take profit orders. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This helps you maintain a disciplined trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.